Hello everyone, welcome back to O-Level Oasis. So today, we're diving into the topical past papers for Chapter 2, Classification. For your information, this chapter was added to the syllabus in 2023, so there are no questions from previous years. All the questions we'll be working on are from 2023 onward. Let's begin. This is a question from the most recent October-November 2024 winter exams. It's question number 5, and part C is the one related to our chapter. The question states that ant species A is Solenopsis geminator, which is the binomial name for this ant. It also mentions that these ants belong to arthropods, a group further classified into subgroups. In part 1, we need to identify the arthropod group to which S. geminator belongs. Since ants are insects, we will write that they belong to the group insects. Part 2 asks for two visible features that classify S. geminator as part of the insect group. The first visible feature is that their bodies are divided into three distinct parts, the head, thorax, and abdomen. The second feature is the presence of 6 legs, with 3 pairs attached to the middle part of the body, called the thorax. We will state, insects have 3 pairs of legs, totaling 6 legs, attached to the thorax. Alternatively, you could also mention that insects have 1 pair of antennae, that is, 2 antennas. Any 2 of these points will help you get full marks. Now, take a look at this question. Your task is to use the dichotomous key provided in Figure 1.1 to identify the 5 main vertebrate groups labeled A, B, C, D, and E. You need to complete the table by writing the name of each vertebrate group next to its corresponding letter. Let me guide you through this step by step. A vertebrate with fins and gills can confidently be identified as a fish. If a vertebrate does not have fins and gills, lays eggs with shells, and has feathers on its skin, it is classified as a bird. A vertebrate that lays eggs with shells but has skin without feathers is categorized as a reptile. Vertebrates that don't lay eggs with shells but have fur covering their skin are known as mammals. Lastly, vertebrates that neither lay eggs with shells nor have fur on their skin are classified as amphibians. Alright, let's tackle this question from Paper 1. It's about the wobbegong, also known as the carpet shark, which is a type of shark that rests on the seafloor. There are 12 species of wobbegong, and the largest one is the spotted wobbegong, scientifically named Erectolobus maculatus, which can grow up to 3 meters long. The question asks, what is the genus name of the largest wobbegong? The options are A. carpet shark, B. maculatus, C. Erectolobus, and D. wobbegong. The correct answer is C. Erectolobus, as it is the genus name of the spotted wobbegong. In the binomial nomenclature system, the first name always represents the genus. Let's move on to the next question, which explains that species of organisms are given scientific names consisting of 2 parts, and it asks, what is the system used to name species? And the correct answer is C, the binomial system, which is the scientific method used to name species, consisting of 2 parts, the genus name and the species name.